Okay, hey, how's it going? We're back. It's been a minute. Remember the beachwaver? I kind of forgot about it too, but it honestly is really helpful. I've had some great luck with it. A lot of my clients that have trouble curling their own hair, just trying to figure out which way to go, or they clamp it and then they turn it the wrong way and it kinks it. So I was gonna do a little video, show you how this guy works. So I have it 390. I already put K18 in my hair and then finished off with some F layer. I love this stuff. It feels like butter in your hair. So it is a great deep conditioning serum and it offers an extra layer of protection on your hair. So I love this guy. This guy, it has two buttons. This one is the R for right. It spins this way, okay? Left, that way. So for my brain, I'm gonna hit right because we want it to curl away from our head. So I'm gonna do this side of my head first because that's a little easier than switching back and forth on that guy. So I'm gonna just split this. I do have my extensions in, so we're just gonna part it where my weft is. Here we go. You're gonna clamp it on the bottom and just let it like wrap up your hair. Let's push that down where it's hot. Whoop, pushed it again. Don't burn your face off. And I'm just gonna let this, pull this tail down in there a little bit. You can just open that guy just a little bit to let him slide through. And then I'm gonna slide him down. I don't want this curl to be so boingy. So we're gonna twist it in the same direction, but I'm gonna pull on him just a little bit. I'm gonna start with this back guy so it's easier to find on my hair. Still on the right. This is so cool, guys. Okay, just gonna have it wait a little bit longer because this is my natural hair. And when you let it set in this coil before you brush it out, it really lets it cool in that position. Like whenever you're curling your hair, you don't want to like brush it out immediately while it's still hot because that will make it fall faster. Oh, look at that little guy, he's cute. Just wrap that guy just a little bit. What a cutie. Okay, since I have lots of little layers, I put them all where they're all gonna get in, and now I'm gonna run it through. Whoop. I think he got a little crazy in there. Let's try that again. All right, sweet. This kind of reminds me of Beauty and the Beast when they get him all dolled up. Okay, now switching to L for left, because we're gonna curl away from her face. I feel like you could blow through your hair so fast with this, especially if you have a lot of hair. It's like game changer. So there's my extension. Just adding a little thickness to that and some brightness actually, which I love. Okay, this wrapped up on itself, so I'm gonna move him down to make sure it all gets evenly hot. And then see how I'm just barely hitting this with my thumb to move the tail in. And then still twist it, but I'm gonna pull on him just a little. I brushed my hair before this to make sure that I didn't curl any tangles in my hair, because I do like to wear my hair for a couple days. So on wash day, it's a big brushy outy day before and after the shower, especially with your extensions. They do tend to get a little knotted and you have to stay on top of that. That's just part of extension maintenance. So. Okay, I think we can get away with this being one piece. Like if your piece, yeah, maybe not. If he's not gonna fit in that little clamp, then make him smaller. Or else I think it'll get kind of like wrapped up weird, and then it'll curl kind of funky because they didn't all make it in together. This little guy, just gonna wrap around. Where's my button? Here we go. I put that up higher because I have some shorter layers, so now I'm gonna open that up a little bit and let it drag through. This guy is kind of a bang piece, but kind of not. I already blow dried my bangs before, so. There we go. Hold, press it down, turn it off. Let that cool. I'm gonna let this set for a second and then we'll brush it out. So we've let that set and I grabbed my hairdresser invisible oil. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in my hands and kind of just run this through a little bit. I actually really love this for my extensions too, because they always need a little bit of moisture more than my normal hair. Okay, wide tooth comb. Just gonna brush it out. I honestly love how this wears in like the next days. It's like a little wavy. The first day, second day a little looser, the next day it's a little looser, and like number 4 day, I just put it in like a cute pony and put a little dry shampoo in. And then by then it's almost the weekend and dirty hair day, wash it on Friday. So yeah, there you go. Dang, I have to go out tonight. So I'll put a link to this at the bottom. This is the beachwaver Pro 1. It's pretty cool. And I believe this one has the longer barrel, which I do like for the length of my hair. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and happy curling.